sculpture. Sculpture can be large or very small. It often depicts the human body, but it can be of anything at all. Sculpture is often made of stone, metal or wood, but it can also be of chocolate, butter, ice or flowers. Different materials have different qualities. Some are long-lasting, others are temporary. Some materials need to resist the weather, and others simply convey an idea. Sculpture can be realistic or abstract. It is normally found in museums and art galleries, but it can be on the streets, in parks, on a hillside or elsewhere. There are 4 basic sculpture techniques: carving, cutting or chipping away a shape from a piece of stone, wood, or other hard material; casting, melting down material like metal and then pouring it into a mold to cool and harden; modeling, building up a soft material like clay and shaping it to create a form; assembling, gathering and joining various materials to create an assembled sculpture.